then come back.
Go-go cards.
Yeah. Car.
Yeah, car. Daddy, you got to open these ones first, and then Daddy will take it out of the box for you, okay?
Yeah.
None of you know it. Oh, me.
What?
That's you know that. Hop off the box. Wow, what's that?
Daddy can help you.
Wow, what kind of torch?
A Toy Story toy.
got purple.
Wow.
Look. What is it?
Go-go.
Go-go book.
Oh, wow.
Do you want to open that one?
No.
Open this one then.
He loves his new car.
There's one on there that you haven't got.
Josie, what have you
Your
got?
Daddy to help. Your Daddy to help.
Come on.
Daddy's got to unscrew that first, Ben. Ben, come on.
What's that? A pickup
No.
truck.
No.
You can play with that one in a minute. You've got to open your rest of your presents first, Ben, and then you can play.
I put my camera down and I can't find it now.